Welcome back to Modular Classroom. Today I'll show you one of the amazing feature on Microsoft Word. That is, do you know that Microsoft Word can read your documents aloud like a virtual teacher? Yes, instead of reading long notes manually, you can simply listen to them using the Read Aloud feature. So what is Read Aloud? It is a built-in text-to-speech feature in Microsoft Word. It automatically reads your documents, notes, assignments, and reports using a computer-generated voice. It helps in proofreading documents and it improves the pronunciation and listening skills, and it makes the studying easier and faster, and you can also execute the multitasking while listening to the notes, and it is useful for students mainly during their travel or relaxation. So we will now see how to use this read aloud feature in Word. So for that, I am opening a document which I kept in Microsoft Word. So go to the review tab over here, click read aloud feature. Word will start reading the text
Artificial
automatically.
intelligence, AI, is the broad field of computer science focused on creating systems that can perform tasks that normally require human intelligence, such as reasoning, learning, problem solving, and decision making. Within AI, machine learning, ML, emerged as a specialized branch that enables computers to learn patterns from data and improve their performance without being explicitly programmed for every task. Over time, deep learning, DL, a further subset of ML, evolved by using multi-layered artificial neural networks inspired by the human brain to process large volumes of complex data.
So this is the format how this read aloud feature works. As soon as you click on the document, open the document and click on the review read aloud feature, Microsoft Word, it will start reading the document automatically. The document may be any notes, assignment, research paper, or any other text document. And you can see on the right side a small control panel appears. It contains play button, pause button, next, previous, and it includes settings. You can also use the settings option and you can customize the voice selection. You can increase the reading speed, decrease the speed, and you can change the voice styles also. Same, now I'm changing to Microsoft Hera and I'm clicking the play button.
The hierarchy can therefore be understood as I being the parent domain, ML as a subset of I, and DL as a subset of ML. The evolution of these technologies began with rule-based I systems in the 1950s, and 1960s progressed to data-driven machine learning approaches in the 1980s, and 1990s and accelerated rapidly in the 21st century with deep learning advancements powered by big data, high-performance GPUs, and increased computational capabilities. Today, I, ML, and DL are widely applied in areas such as healthcare, agriculture, autonomous vehicles, natural language processing, image recognition, and intelligent automation, transforming industries and everyday life.
So, suppose like this, if we have more than 20 pages of notes before an exam, instead of reading continuously, you can just click on this read aloud feature and listen them like an audiobook. This makes very easy and less stressful work. And main advantages of using this feature is it saves time and it improves the pronunciation, better concentration, easy proofreading. So this is an amazing read aloud feature on Microsoft Word. Try this hidden feature today and make learning smarter. And this is mainly a perfect tool for students, teachers, researchers, and office users. And if you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more technology tips. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.